Hey guys, I'm gonna attempt to clean up these eyebrows. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Honestly, truly, really scared. I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor just because I'm scared to wax them. And at least with the razor, I know they grow back really fast. I usually use one of these to shave my whole face, like for peach fuzz and stuff like that. And then I'm going to use Just for Men Auto Stop Easy No Mix Hair Color. It says foolproof, can't go too dark, hassle free, lasts up to 8 weeks. So I usually use this brand, Just for Men, but I use the mustache and beard one to dye my eyebrows. I do like my eyebrows to be a little darker than they naturally are, just because I have dark hair, so I feel like they look freshly done all the time when you dye them. So I'm gonna try this out. It says comb in 10 minutes. Always remember to do the 48-hour skin allergy test before use. We're not gonna do that. And then it says shampoo out. Easy comb in application. Auto stop technology patented. Pre-mixed formula automatically stops coloring after 10 minutes for perfect color every time. Long lasting, will not wash out. Lasts up to 8 weeks until the gray grows back. So basically until your hair grows back. Color, no ammonia or peroxide. And then it says what's inside the box. Instructions that I usually never use. Oh, a little packet of gloves. Wow, this is a really big tube. This is amazing. This will last me a really long time, being that I'm just doing my eyebrows. And then it has this little comb. Yeah, okay, we're not gonna do that. First, I am going to attempt to fix up these eyebrows. So I do have my Vanity Impressions mirror right in front of my face, which is why I have you guys at a kind of like an angle. I'm nervous. So I just grabbed an angled brush. We're gonna go in with this one. I should put the hair dye. I'm gonna put it on a piece of paper. So I did this eyebrow off camera. I forgot to record it. So I did a little bit on here. You only need the slightest amount. So as you can see, it's lighter, and then when the air oxidizes it, it gets darker, obviously. I made a mess. And then we go and we clean it up with something. So I'm gonna clean them up with wipes because I can't find my Q-tips. So I just finished wiping the dye off. You know, it says to shampoo it off, but you can just wipe it off, and now my eyebrows look like they're done. This is amazing. I feel like I should have waited a little bit more on this one, so I might reapply, just because I don't know if you can tell. It might be because I waited the same amount of time on both. It might just be my hair like having a little bit of dye in it still, but they look way better. Way better, way better. So if you guys want me to post like some more of these little DIYs that you can do during quarantine or in general, because I've been doing this for years. I only get it dyed at the threading salon when I'm being lazy, because honestly that box cost me $11 and you pay $15 to dye it at the threading salon when you get your eyebrows done. And I only use the teeniest bit for one application, so this is probably gonna last me months. Mind you, you only have to do this every 8 weeks. This one says every 8 weeks. For the other one, I usually did it about every month and a half. So I'm not sure if I like this color. I might want them a tad bit darker, so stay tuned. I might do another one with the jet black.